T-Rex 700 with, who makes these side frames? Rich?
Micro-Heli?
Micro-Heli?
Micro-Heli, I think.
Cool. Micro-Heli silver side frames.
No, CNCHeli.
CNCHeli
Yeah.
silver CF side frames. But we're pretty certain there's no carbon in the CF side frames. But they're pretty strong. I'm getting a fair amount of force right there, and it doesn't move. Compared to the carbon fiber horizontal fin, it seems as strong. I think it's fine. Actually, I think it looks pretty badass. But suddenly you can see all the good parts down inside here because it's not all dark. Focus is somewhere in there.